To school? How do you compare your life choices where you might have been a junior at Northeastern, but instead you're here at the VMAs
Gosh, I think
with
about that all
Perez
the
Hilton?
time.
Do you really?
I do. I really do think about that all the time. Because a part of me would love to be stuck. Like, listen, I'm living a dream. This is what I've worked for and dreamt about my whole life. But a small part of me is like, man, I'd love to have my head in the books right now and just be, nerding it out. I really, there's a big part of me that thinks about that.
As someone who was born at Brigham Women's Hospital in Boston, were you born
Cape
there?
Cod.
No,
this
but
is like a whole
full circle.
Yeah. Do you understand? Let me show you my tattoo. Can you see it?
Can I take a picture of that?
No. It's the state of Massachusetts.
Can I grab a quick photo?
No, it's kind of inappropriate.
Okay. But it's in, when did you get that?
I just got it. It's my latest one. And I have a shamrock in my hand. That's how big of a mass hole I am.
Wow.
That's so, but you know how many people in Massachusetts wish that they were here.
I know. I'm so lucky. I was, thinking about it. I was like, I feel like people, who stay in Massachusetts, they don't know, or people who are from small towns don't know how big they can dream, how big they're allowed to dream.
Hello. Yeah, this right here. Can we give a drop for that grape juice?
Yes.
Thank you, Jojo.
Y'all from That Grape Juice? I love that website. I go on there every day. I love That Grape Juice. Yes, let me just, hey, this is Jojo, and you're on That Grape Juice. I love it.
I have to be rude and pull her away for 1 second.